Ako si Noemi Bonaobra. I am the Executive Director of Socio-Economic Development Program Multipurpose Cooperative. Ang pinaka-role talaga ng MPC ay matulungan na makascale up ang micro-entrepreneur. Yung sinabi ko nga kanina, the intention of SCDP-MPC is to scale up micro-entrepreneurs. Pero in order to do that, we have to provide a gamut of financial and non-financial services to micro-entrepreneurs na which would include providing financial literacy sessions, product development, teaching the micro-entrepreneurs costing and pricing, then finally, teaching them how to target their market. So, sama na doon yung packaging, labeling, then accessing markets for them. Right now, we're at the Lanco Business Park. This is the main office of SCDP-MPC, and this is where the products are displayed and sold. Pero aside from this, we have several outlets pa of the products, both yung mga online platform din, and then may mga physical stores. So, we're in majority of local supermarket chain, yung LCC. So, we're in Camarines Sur, we're in Albay, and then we're in Sorsogon, as well as Masbate. And we do also have online presence through Escaparate. And very soon, we're also opening sa Metro Manila. And we're also present in most of the trade fairs facilitated and hosted by the DTI. Ang pinaka-ano talaga is, if we want to help our micro-entrepreneurs, is to really help them increase their sales, di ba? Kaya talagang ang mga performance indicators namin, no, na naka-akibat na dun sa mga job description is, ang tinatrack talaga is, from among the members that the Simbag Microfinance is serving, ilan na doon yung mga naging milyonaryo. And you can only do that if we provide services that will increase their chances of them getting high sales. So, kaya ito. Ang karamihan sa kanila kasi, most of the clients that we are serving are really micro-entrepreneurs. So, talagang ang exposure nila ay barangay. Halos hindi pa nga nakatungtong ang iba, no, sa mga like mga high-end or mga premium location. So, yun yung ginagawa namin sa kanila. Parang trial itong community store, no, before. And then, pero when we realize na, ay, kailangan pala, they have to be competitive with the product labels, yung packaging. So, it's not just about the price, diba? But how do you communicate their brand? So, naging, it has been quite a challenge for us for them to compete using their own brands. Kaya, ang isa sa mga naging strategies ng SCDP-MPC is to consolidate under the Simbag brand. So, that way, mas may name recall and then mas makaka-market kami strategically. So, isang brand lang yung ima-market, and that covers around 50 or more micro-entrepreneurs and more than 100 SKUs. Actually, matagal-tagal na yung relationship namin talaga, no, with Prof. June. Siguro 8 years na ba? So as far as I can remember, when we opened the store, Bicol University Fab Lab has already been there, no? In terms of like, yung mga unang-unang initiatives na ginawa namin is with the internship program pa. Pero yun talagang pagde-design ng mga product labels, yung mga brand. And then finally, amazed kami noon kasi there was a time na nakat pa namin, no, manually. Tapos yun, yung Fab Lab has this machine na pag-print, pati yung mga, parang ang gagawin na lang namin is ipipil yung sticker and then stick that, no, to the packaging, no, whether it's a pouch or a bottle or a jar. So, yun, amazing yun, and that has been an eye-opener for us na, because of the Fab Lab and because of that equipment and service, we were able to really design na hindi pala hindi limitation yung packaging kasi the machine from the Fab Lab could do miracles, no? Could do wonders. Magic na, kahit anong shape, pwede, kahit anong itsura pala nung ano. So, magandang yan. Breakthrough yon for us. Actually, all those factors have been contributory in us reaching yung efficiency and the economies of scale. Kasi nga, kung dati, piniprint lang namin sa printer, no, yung ordinaryong printer namin, with the Fab Lab, by the thousands na ang pwede. And then, second, limited lang kami dati dun sa mga sticker paper, di ba? And that could only contain like 6 to 8, no, na mga labels. Pero with Fab Lab, we were working on a bigger mga sticker paper na mga nakarolyo na. So talagang kahit noon, pag halimbawa nagkakaproblema ang Fab Lab, naubusan ng sticker, kami na yung mag-order noon kung ilang rolyo man yon. So ganda. So that way, naging efficient kami. Parang mas okay yung margin. So ibig sabihin, yung nanay namin mas kumita din. Second, ganda talaga yung quality, no? Yung high reso talaga. And it was so fast. Actually, ang nga namin noon is we could request for more. Pero yun nga, naiintindihan namin na hindi pwedeng yung full capacity talaga kasi there are other micro-entrepreneurs and other partners that the Fab Lab will have to serve. It's not just us. Naging wow. Andun yung wow factor, no? Kasi yun nga, makaka-design na ng mga labels, no, that will capture yung target market namin, no, na pag sinabi kasing Simba, medyo elevate namin. Medyo parang nagmukhang mahal. Lalo na yung mga unang transition from pang palengke lang, local, or pang barangay, to that level na, uy, nai-invite na sa mga trade fairs. Parang yun yung pinaka-effective, no, indicator namin na masasabi, uy, nag-improve yung mga products. Ang masasabi ko lang dyan, one takeaway is kung hindi pa kayo nagiging partner ng Fab Lab or hindi pa nakaka-access ng services or products, do it now. Kasi malaking kawalan kung wala silang access doon. Kasi we know naman, no, na as a business talaga, you go through the product development stage, no, initial. It can be very costly. Pero with the Fab Lab there that can assist startups, malaking bagay yon. Medyo in terms of cost efficiency, in terms of yung innovation na pwede mo pang magawa sa negosyo mo as a micro-entrepreneur, yung mga trials, no, testing that you will have to do, Fab Lab, I think, no, is the place to go to.